You may realize that my computer screen is a little different from yours right now. The reason for that is I already created some websites using local WP. Since you haven't created any websites yet, or if you haven't created any websites yet using local WP, you will see the plus sign that you see in the corner right there. You will see it in the middle of your computer screen. Wherever it is, just find it and click on this plus sign. Once you're here, you need to make sure that create new site is selected. Alright, you will see the check sign right here. Alright, so make sure it says create new site and then hit continue. Name your site. I'm gonna name my site after me. So I'm creating this website for me. You can do the same for yourself. And then hit continue. When you get here, make sure that preferred is selected instead of custom. Alright? And then hit continue. Create a username and a password. The username is something that you need to remember, as well as the password, because they give you access to the dashboard of the website you're creating. Write it down somewhere so you don't forget it. Alright? I'm gonna call myself, or my username will be Alpha 120. And I'm gonna choose a password. I can't tell you which password I am choosing right now. And then I will put my email. Alright, after adding my email, I can hit add site. Just give it a few seconds. Alright, now it asks me to enter my password, the password to my computer. Alright, since I'm using a MacBook, an Apple computer, they want me to approve anything that I am installing on the computer. Alright, they want to know this is me. This is the person who has access to the computer. This is the right person who is doing this on the computer. So yours might not ask you to enter your password, but mine always does. Alright, Jeff St. Louis is created. Haha. Now to see what your website looks like, you can click on Open Site. And you will see this is what your website looks like right now. You haven't done anything like any design, you haven't done anything. That's just what local WP generated by installing WordPress. Alright, you will need to make it look the way you want it. Alright, this is interesting. This is gonna be awesome and fun. Alright, let's continue. Now, you need to access the dashboard of your website. To access that dashboard, you will need to click on WP Admin. Now you will need to type in the username you just chose. log in. You can save your password if you want. If you don't want to do that, you can just say not now or never for this site. I always save mine. You have created your first website, but don't get too excited because this is just the beginning. In the next video, we're gonna explore, we're gonna learn the dashboard, each element, each section, to know what we can do with them and how we use each of these sections right here. All right, see you in the next one.